Alright, I know what you're thinking. Sardines? Really, but trust me, this is about to be the easiest, tastiest meal you've ever whipped up from a can. Step 1. Garlic and onions. Always. These guys are gonna take our sardines to the next level. Sardines are basically the superheroes of your pantry, no defrosting, no prepping, just instant dinner. And hey, while we're at it, did you know sardines have more calcium than milk? Who needs a glass of milk when you've got these? Sardines. These little guys are the easiest thing to cook when there's nothing left in the house. It's like they're always there for you when everything else lets you down. Plus, they're loaded with omega-3s, protein, and calcium. Boom, healthy and convenient. Look at that. In less than 5 minutes, we've gone from, I have nothing to eat, to, I'm practically in a hurry to cook. Sardines are literally the easiest thing to cook, especially when you're down to your last pantry items. Quick, easy, and
so
good. Sardines are the unsung heroes of the I don't want to cook life. Packed with omega-3s, healthy protein, and enough calcium to make your bones feel invincible. If you like this, hit the subscribe button for more easy, healthy recipes.